Be a better human for your dog with these tips and tricks. Your dog is your best friend, for better or worse. When he chews up a box of facial tissues, all you can do is laugh. When he snuggles into the crook of your back at night, you can feel loved. To pay him back for the joy he brings you, watch this video and learn all you can. If you're on any kind of medication, even if it's over the counter, you need to keep it away from your dog. Taking just a few such pills can have devastating consequences for a dog. Make sure you have your veterinarian's number handy in case your dog does accidentally swallow your medicine. When you brush your dog every day, you reduce shedding problems and benefit your dog's health in many ways. It leaves them looking gorgeous, for one thing. When you brush a dog, you are moving the skin's oils evenly throughout its fur, so it really makes the fur shine and feel great. Check and double-check your fenced-in yard for spots your dog could escape through before letting him roam. The most secure method of keeping your dog outside is on a long run with a strong collar, but if you are comfortable that your fence can hold him, he'll enjoy that even more. Just make sure there's no room for error. Keep your dog's teeth clean and healthy with regular brushing. Most canines don't mind you brushing their teeth, provided you introduce them to the process slowly and gently. Use a specially designed dog brush, along with other products made just for him. Remember to provide him with toys and biscuits that will also clean and protect his teeth. While humans may judge us, a dog never will. He will continually love you, even when you neglect his best interests. That said, you have watched this video because you never wish to do anything which harms him, so use these tips every day and make his life as joyous as he makes yours. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.